Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my Christmas tree, or precisely Christmas ornaments that are very unique. I made it with my own hands, along with my mom and with my daughter. And I would like to show you these ornaments a little bit closer. They are made in different technique, starting from diamond painting and finishing with counted cross stitch kits. So let's start with this. This is a beaded cross stitch kit on a wood. There is just fabric on the back. It is bead stitched only from one side. I purchased it from the Ukrainian company Wonderland. They were pretty cheap, like $5, $6 each. This is a diamond painting from Diamond Dots, a present. This is a Snow Maiden, also beaded cross stitch kit from one side. The diamond paintings are diamond painted on both sides. This is also a diamond painting from Diamond Dots. Very beautiful ornament. Here it is. This is a star. This is a beaded cross stitch kit on a wood. Another beaded cross stitch kit on a wood is this beautiful house. I actually added a few diamonds over here on top, a few sparklers from Diamond Dots. There is also a candy cane diamond painting kit, rainbow. This is my daughter's. Star, also my daughter's. Snowman and unicorn. They all sparkle really beautiful. It's a shame that the camera does not show all that sparkle. This is a beaded cross stitch kit on a wood, also with the use of a few sparklers from Diamond Dots. Another one, beaded cross stitch kit with sparklers on top. These are just paintings from my daughter. She's only 5 years old, so it's not always accurate. This is a beaded cross stitch kit with two cute houses. We also have my mom's counted cross stitch kit, stitched from both sides. We don't have many of them because, you know, they are pretty time consuming. Another beaded cross stitch kit from me. This is my mom's angel counted cross stitch kit from Dimensions. And we also have two more diamond painting ornaments, Santa. They are diamond painted from both sides. And this beautiful snowflake. So very special tree this year. Hopefully I will give someone an idea. And they will also decorate it with DIY ornaments. And I have a few diamond paintings, season-related diamond paintings on the wall. Santa. This is from Diamond Dreamer Designs. Faith Runs Deep. British company, Craft Body. And I'm still working on my custom. This is it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and see you soon.